Hi, I'm Ross McDonald, the Managing Director of Hydroblast. I started off when I was 18 as a junior apprentice. I've been here 14 years now and I'm managing daily operations. So Hydroblast was established in 2003. It was set up by my father, Gerald. It was on the back of foot and mouth from when that started in 2001. Diversified out of farming that we got into general pressure washing and cleaning, and that's how we started doing water jetting, getting into robotic hydrodemolition in the late years, 2008, 2009. We've then expanded ever since, from doing robotic work to contracting, selling equipment, renting machines, servicing machines, and that keeps us busy. So the main services is contract that we do hydrodemolition. We specialise in robotic hydrodemolition. We do road marking removal, tank cleaning, tube and pipe jetting. They're the core services, as well as we can rent machines. We sell new and used equipment, sell spare parts that we readily stock, and we can offer servicing to a variety of equipment. So some of the rental machinery that we have a harb and drain jetting trailer. We also offer Hammelman machinery, whether that's from 1400 bar up to 2800 bar, that can be used for hydrodemolition, surface preparation or line removal. We sell a lot of accessories and PPE. That includes TST safety suits, waterproofs, gloves, helmets, hose shrouds, anything PPE related we readily stock, so it's available immediately. Hydroblast are unique because we don't just offer contract services, we're also a WJA Training provider. We offer all the modules, including safety awareness, surface preparation, tube and pipe cleaning, drain and sewers, and hydrodemolition. That's what makes us different.